Here is the simple way of making a spray for ants. You just need 1 tablespoon of oil. This is already a used oil. It's been used for frying fish. So you can use all those oil that you don't need. So instead of throwing it away, you can use it for making simple and easy spray for ants control. So yeah, and you only need a few drops of dishwashing liquid. And I put 500 ml in this spray bottle. Yeah, I'm only using this, but it's only water in there. This is an old insect gun spray. But instead of buying those expensive ones, you can just make up your own spray with cooking oil, used cooking oil, and a few drops of dishwashing liquid. Now we'll just put that coriander oil into the water, and a few drops of dishwashing liquid. That's it. And then all you need to do is shake it so the water, oil, and the dishwashing liquid will be mixed together. Now I have lots of ants crawling along this fence, and then I'm gonna spray it with the one that spray I made. They're all running away, but as soon as they get wet, the mixture I made will them up. So it's quite an easy way of controlling ants in your garden. They're all running away. See the ones that all get wet? Yeah, they starting to die. Some of them already dead. So it's really an effective way of controlling ants. Yeah. See all those ants in on the timber? See, they're all dead. So you don't need to buy an expensive spray for controlling ants. This is just organic spray, so it's safe for your plants and for if you have pets, so it's quite safe. See, they all did. It's really effective. Yeah. See that, ant? See the oil dead now. It's very effective. Yeah.